Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer coins to your friends on 8-ball pool game. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, if you don't have the 8-ball pool on your phone, you'll need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you did that, you will need to go and open your game, or if you already have it, just go and open this game to follow the tutorial steps. Of course, if you wish to play the game on your PC, yeah, 8-ball pool on your PC, I've already made a video about that, so if you're interested, make sure to go and check it out on this channel on how to play 8-ball pool on your PC. Of course, let's just go back. So when you open your game, you will have three options. The first option is to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you will have an option to create your account, or if you don't want to do any of these options, you will have even the option of playing as a guest. But that will actually not sorry, not save. I was going to say it in French, sauvegarder, not save your progress on the game. So of course, if your progress are not saved, you will not be able to get your things back if you change your phone or something like that. So of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, anyway, you will not have even friends if you just opened as a guest, right? So the best option for you is just to go and log in into your account, so you'll probably have friends to transfer coins into. So of course, you have two options. The first option is you click at the bottom left corner at the gifts option and go to send free coins. And as you can see from here, you can just choose whoever you want to send the coins into it. So of course, choose whoever you want and click at send, and you'll be good to go. Of course, the second option is just going to the group icon, which is at the right of that gifts icon, and click at the gift at any of your friends right here. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.